Hey everyone, it's Katherine and welcome back to my channel. And before I begin this video, I want to give a special shout out to Lexa Terrestrial and her shop Lexa Dollhouse on the new merchandise. It is so cute. I'm about to show you guys a close-up of it in just a sec. So this is the new Alien Queen t-shirts. It's so comfortable. Isn't it so cute? And it's very lightweight. I got this in the large and it just fits amazingly. I kind of like these oversized, sweatshirts. Really cute for any time of the year, and it's so adorable. And these custom bow rings, sorry that I don't have nails, but these custom bow rings you can get at her shop as well, and these are so adorable as well. So if you want to buy some of her new merch, make sure you go check out her website. I will put the link in the description down below. But without further ado, let's get on with this week's video. So this week's video, I wanted to share with you all what I got in the mail over the weekend from my favorite hair care brand, dun 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 dun, LUS. So I have been using this brand for my hair for almost a year now, and it is my holy grail of all time. Why do I keep clapping? Because it's that great of a product. Also, I created a curly hair routine with this product, and if you guys want to check out this video, make sure you check out this video right here, and I will have the link in the description bar as well, so you can guys check out how I do my curly hair. Alright, so if you guys would love to see this LUS Brands unboxing, keep watching this video. That is it with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this LUS Brands unboxing, and if you liked any of the products like you saw, make sure you check out the description down below of the website on where you can get all of their products and all their merch. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up or leave a comment down below, and don't forget to Kit Kat Patty whack that subscribe button and hit that bell so you get all notifications on when I post videos. So until then, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!